Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making a foam hand wash with a really simple recipe. So what you'll need to start off with is some distilled water. This is our solvent and diluent, and to that we're adding glycerin. I'm using vegetable glycerin, and this is our humectant, and this will help retain moisture in the skin and make the body wash really nice and soothing. And then once you've added that, you can mix that all around until it's combined together. Then we want to work on our surfactant phase, and for our surfactants I'm using AOS 40, which is an anionic surfactant that's mild and cleansing and provides good foam, and some cocamidal propylbutane, which is an amphoteric surfactant that improves foam and bubbles, and it also helps to create a mild product. It also enhances the viscosity, although we don't need it with this product, because the good thing about a foam hand wash is that you don't need it to be thickened to work. You can just have it as thin as you like, so however this turns out is absolutely fine. So we're going to now add our surfactants into our water and glycerin mixture, and then just stir as much as possible to get it all combined. It does take a little while. You can use a whisk if you want. Don't worry about any bubbles, they will disperse eventually, and we're creating a foam body wash anyway, so it doesn't really matter. If you're really bothered, you can spritz it with some rubbing alcohol like I did just then. And what I should have added is the glycerol oleate. I should have added that into my surfactants, but it doesn't really matter, you can add it now. And what that does is improve emulsion and stability, and it also enhances the feel of the final product. I suggest trying this in body wash formulas because you will feel a difference. And then once we've added all of those, we're going to add our phase C ingredients. In that beaker you saw me add Salagard PCG, which is a broad spectrum preservative that works well with surfactants and in a wide pH range, some fragrance, and also some saccharide isomerate plus, which helps to boost foam and deeply moisturise the skin even after rinse off. So I love adding that to products like this. And then you saw me add just a little bit of water-soluble dye just for a bit of colour. Although it makes absolutely no difference in a product like this, it was just for fun. I'm now taking the pH to make sure it's within the 4.5, 5.5 pH range that I want. And yes, I am doing it into the main product, but this is only for personal use, which is why I'm going straight in and not testing a separate little beaker. And it comes to about 5.24, so that's fine. We're happy with that for this product, and we can go ahead and bottle it up. And you'll see it's reasonably thin, but like I said, it doesn't matter for this kind of product because the foaming action comes from the type of bottle we're using. And that bottle is a Foma bottle that I got from Alexmo Cosmetics in the EU. I think I've mentioned them before. Their shipping is really reasonable and quite fast to the UK, so I do recommend them, and they've got a lot of great ingredients. And we're just going to pour this straight in. What I will say is I've only done 100 grams here, and this holds a lot more. You need to make sure that you fill your bottle up as much as possible in order to get rid of the air and get the foaming action from this. So I suggest making a slightly larger batch than I have here. Then twist the top in, and you'll see that when we dispense the soap, it comes out as foam like this, and it's really quite good fun to use, and it lasts a really long time like this, so you get a lot more use out of it than you do a normal body wash, and it washes just as well. So let's go and test that over the sink. This is a really simple formula, but it does leave your hands feeling really soft because of the saccharide isomerate plus and also the glycerol oleate, so I suggest giving them a try. If you want to have this just as a normal body wash, then go ahead. You can always add a little bit of a thickener in there. If you want the formula, as always, it's on my Patreon along with supplier links and all the exclusive formulas and YouTube formulas I've done up to now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.